The 2012 Ford F250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F250 Super Duty. And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, stability control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.